All right, good people. This is Project Bipolar, and I painted this vehicle last year, and the owner has already had a mishap with it. So it's back in the shop, and time to get some more work done to it. As you can see, the fender is buckled pretty bad. So fixing the fender, or replacing the fender, not fixing. Also had an issue down here when he put his rims on and hit the quarter panel, cracked it pretty good. So fixing that issue. Don't know what happened here, but ended up with a few dings in the decklet. So fixing that. Also, another issue that he had, putting his interior in. So fixing that. Just a couple little odds and ends. Of course, that's his rim. Bought a junkyard fender and I got it sanded down. Of course, got 2 dings here. And on the other fender, I welded up the antenna hole, so I'm gonna have to do that once again. And once I get this one welded up, do a little body work on that. That way, it'll be shaved. You won't be using that anymore. Again, I'll show you on this fender, shaved that, welded that in, did the body work, and got that all together. So I'm gonna have to do the same thing for that fender. Also, front bumper took some damage, so we're getting that together as well. Gonna have to take a couple pieces apart and get this thing back together. So stay tuned, and I'll be showing this one here on the channel.